In this video, we'll be showing you how you can change your age in Epic Games. But when you head into the account information customization, there is no any direct way on how you can change your Epic Games age. So the only solution available is by going into the support team or the support tab here. So click the support and then open the show all tools at the self-service tab and then click your support request. Here you need to talk into a live agent, or also you can directly submit an email request regarding your problem. So let's try clicking the start a live agent. But first, you need to fill in all these details first. So for example, is your platform that you're currently using as PC, the product is just input anything here. And for the contact reason, this is really important since you need to click the Epic account and you need to describe your problem regarding the wrong input of age or the change or update for your account information, which is your age. So just submit an email request, and after submitting it, you will be talking to a live agent. And that's it. That's how you can change your age in Epic Games, and thank you for listening.